Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car, the 2015 320D M Sport Saloon. The vehicle is presented in Glacier Silver Metallic, features the YG body enhancement kit alongside some nice options and features from BMW. Starting at the front then, we've got the Angel Eye and a Xenon headlamp option on this vehicle, always a very popular one that. Not only does it change the look of the car, of course it's going to give you brighter and better visibility. It's the 19-inch 403M option alloy wheels on this car. We've had those freshly refinished in high gloss black. Alongside that, you've got the mixed premium run flat tyres on the car, gloss black sill extensions, satin side vinyls and YG performance decals. Rear sun protection glazing. Inside the car, it's the Dakota leather interior, heated front seats. This 3 Series is a 6-speed manual. For the rear passengers then, it's a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, which in this car actually looks like it's barely ever been sat in. It's in really great condition, as is the rest of the car. It's been very, very well looked after. At the back of the car, you've got the gloss black rear spoiler and rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors. If you just lift up the tailgate in there, you'll find a very impressive boot size. Fortunately, this one has been equipped with the split folding seat option. Again, always very handy to have that on a saloon vehicle. Round onto the driver's side, where again we can see the benefit of that Glacier Silver Metallic. I think for me it's one of the often underrated colours. People will overlook it thanks to the wide variety of choice in the light colour spectrum, of course, but for me it's a really nice colour. There's that split folding seat option, of course. Again, that's just going to give you that bit more space should it be required ever. If we go through then and take a quick seat inside the car, we've got the multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume functions. It's a good low mileage car. It's only covered just over 48,000 miles, which is exceptionally good mileage for a car of this year and type. Business nav and media, Bluetooth telephone. You've also got DAB as well as front CD, USB, AUX and Bluetooth lining. So again, nice to have all 3 multimedia options with, of course, the DAB function as well. Lastly, let's just check out the servicing. The next one's not due for 18,000 miles. Service history wise, it has got exceptional service history with BMW, as you can see on the screen there. Automatic dual climate control system with front heated seats. Again, nice to see the dual climate control system, and of course you're going to be very grateful of those heated seats come the colder months. So that is a look around another fantastic example of the 320D M Sport Saloon. If you'd like to know more about the car, including prices and funding options, do simply check the links available in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Goodbye.